Ashley, and I'm going to be talking to you a little bit today about the Go Native campaign and the Pine Rock plants. Um, there is native plants and animals all over South Florida, and unfortunately, they are coming to their point of extension if we do not, try to either save them or somehow recuperate what we've already lost. Native plants provide shelter to many animals, such as specific squirrels, alligators, crocodiles. These are all native animals we have here in South Florida, like also the white ibis and the Florida panther. Native plants provide a number of resources for us here in South Florida, not only to animals but also humans. Um, where you can find some of these native plants or nurseries that help conserve these plants and make them, fertilize to grow longer lifespans would be in the Miami-Dade Native Plant Nurseries that can be found in the Action Theory Nursery, Casey's Corner, or Doug Ingram and Sons Nursery. Even though around many of our homes we do have exotic plants and even some homes do have exotic pets, we should take into consideration, that just because our landscape does look pretty, we could use native plants from here in South Florida. Either it be a palm tree or, any other, plants that we are native to. Native plants conserve water and they do save money because they adapt to your environment rather quickly. Um, Especially here in South Florida's heat and humidity. These plants are extended through the season, so you don't have to plant them or, fertilize them or anything. Keep up as much as possible with them, the very least possible care. Native plants require no pesticides and are hurricane proof, as you can say. In this Florida weather, especially South Florida weather, it is humid and hot, and your foreign plants may not be able to survive in this weather or in this climate compared to our native plants, since they do, need less fertilization or pesticides because pesticides are toxic. Native plants also do preserve our heritage and how we consider these plants and how they do change our either ecosystem or the way we live on a day-to-day basis.